one single one of them will escape. So we must we must remain steadfast. We must remain fanatically stubborn, just like our leader told us. We no get choice but to bring Biafra, because that is the genesis of the lives of every African. And that is the genesis of light in Africa. Biafra is the genesis of freedom in Africa. My brother, I am just rounding up. I was saying my closing remark when you came in, and I don't know if you are there.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, we are closing already, so you can say your closing remark. Anytime you come early. Even if you better say you come at all than say you no come.
Abi?
Now.
Yeah, I've been busy, just chatting with one of our colleagues. In fact, about two or three colleagues that we are chatting with.
Gloria, my dear. Thank you. I am an Igbo man, of course. I am a real Igbo man. I don't get choice but to remain an Igbo man. Even if they reincarnate, if I want reincarnate to come back, I go choose Igbo man, because Igbos they carry last in the whole
Let's
world.
carry last,
Igbos
last.
are
Oh,
blessed in
oh my
everything.
God.
Igbos are
Yes.
blessed. Gloria, I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So the thing that kept me busy, because these are our people. When you try to correct them, if they try to prove a stiff neck and they don't hear, or what you are telling them doesn't enter, it requires a chisel and hammer to chisel something from their brain. Someone was telling me on our platform here that we're supposed to make peace with criminal IFEANYI EJIOFOR. I said, what? So upon all this havoc this man has caused, we want to make peace. Someone who blocks everywhere. He blocked Bruce Fen, he blocked Aloy Ejima Ako, he blocked Samuel Ekpa. He want to block everybody. He said, "You want me to sit down and make peace with him? Are you insane?" I was talking to the person, and the person went cold. Now I just wrote on a platform, said, "What is Ojofor all doing all this while when he doesn't appear to be among the international legal lawsuit to release Mazen Nandekalo like Aloy Ejimako has been doing?" He said, "Do we see truth from Mazen Samuel Ekpa when he said Ojofor?"
My brother, I no dey interested. Abeg, leave, or no be every foolish person wey pass road I go leave. I no dey read those kind of things. I don talk with them. I don't have time to waste with people that don't have brain. People that are like Ewoodites. I don't talk with them. I don't have anything with them. Abeg.
Okay,
Yeah, leave
so
them. Leave them.
it
Just
is
say
well.
something before we go, abeg.
So, all right, lovers of freedom, Biafra people, it's unfortunate that I came late to join this program, but I thank you all for keeping our brother Ugo, keeping him on this platform and making him to bring update and fireizing everybody to wake up from slumber, because you know by strength no man shall prevail, but uh, when two or three gather together to do something, God is there. So I want to thank you all for coming in and supporting him and making comment and dropping some issues that matters. And I pray that none of us will deviate from the truth. We must stand resolute and be supporting one another on every platform. Thank you very much, and may God bless you all.
Ndewo, ndewo. So Biafrans, we are closing. By the grace of God, we will come back again. Maybe to join Simon Ekpa, maybe If someone don't come, we are still coming. If we come, he comes, we'll hook up with him. If he don't come, we continue the program. We are coming back again, maybe in an hour time, to make sure is the time someone will come online. So from me to you, I will say goodbye. Remember, everybody that dies, everybody that will die or that have died, they did not die because they are not doing the right thing. They died because somebody must die. But it's quite unfortunate, but that they are the ones that have died. But no matter what happens, Biafra must come to get freedom. No be
Yeah.
small pikin something.
Yeah.
Freedom carry so many things.
Thank
Freedom
you.
carry so many things. Yes, Glory Ogu, thank you so much. Thank
Yeah.
you, my dear. Thank you so much.
You doing
So
well.
on this, on
Making
this,
a comment.
on this note, I will say goodbye.
Hi, wakosisi na-epu na kuruta. Ebube eluigwe mo bilien. Oji akpantu mere piloti mo. Olise bi n'igwe mo bilien. Kulie o, bilie o. Chukwu okike abịama. Bụrụ n'anya agha. Kulie o, bilie o. Chukwu okike abịama. Bụrụ n'anya agha. Kulie o, bilisienu o. Chukwu okike abịama. Bụziere n'anya agha. Kulie o, bilienu o. Chukwu okike abịama. Bụziere n'anya agha. Maximum respect to my own diluted leader, Prophet Mazin Nandekano. EU kept quiet, America kept quiet, UN kept quiet, the whole world kept quiet. EU kept quiet, America kept quiet, UN kept quiet, the whole world kept quiet. EU kept quiet, America kept quiet, UN kept quiet, the whole world kept quiet. EU kept quiet, America kept quiet, UN kept quiet, the whole world kept quiet. They came from Sahel, they came from Chad, they came from Niger, Senegal and Mali, claiming our land, oh, killing our people because of our blessings. My God, go to Benin bushes now, they're everywhere, kidnapping and killing people every day, raping and killing our women and men, slaughtering them in their farmland. Hey God, kidnapping and killing Christians night and day, and nobody they talk. Chimo, dividing and ruling we anyhow, as if you are not human being. My God, abducting and killing Biafrans every day, and the whole world watch, the whole world they see. Kulieo, Kulieo, Chukwu okike abịama. Kulieo, Kulieo, Chukwu okike abịama. Bụrụ n'anya agha. Wakosisi na-epu na kuruta. Ebube eluigwe mo bilienu. Oji akpantu mere piloti mo. Olise bi n'igwe mo bilienu. Kulieo, Kulieo, Chukwu okike abịama. They splitted us just the killers. They rape our papa, they rape our mama. He go do me, we are one. Ishane Banke, we are one people. Robo Isoko, we are one. His own security, we are one people. Ogoni Kalabari, we are one. Kalabana Ndibo, we are one. He go do me, we are one. Ishane Banke, we are one people. Robo Isoko, we are one. His own security, we are one people. Ogoni Kalabari, we are one. Kalabana Ndibo, we are one people. They splitted us, just the killers. They rape our papa, they rape our mama, they rape our wives, they rape our girls, they rape our sisters, raping even our children, raping their car with the concealant to women with the top and they die. Small, small, small. Chukwu okike abịama. Chukwu okike abịama. Bụrụ n'anya agha. Chukwu okike abịama. Bụrụ n'anya agha. Chukwu okike abịama. Bụrụ n'anya agha. Go to the one nation. Wake up now and fight for your freedom. Wake up, your foundation. Wake up. na-eti n'ikpu o.